Here is a Hyundai Elantra. Let's go ahead and get started. That's the light over there. The way to access it, we have to open up the trunk. Now we have to get the light out of the body. So first thing we'll do is we'll get this flap out. Just grab it and get it out. Now set it aside. Now there are two studs with nuts on them. You will need a 10mm socket ratchet combination to get those nuts out, and possibly a hammer as well. Let's go ahead and get the nuts out one by one. Do not drop them inside there. Get it out safely. Now grab the light and rock it loose first. Now see where I'm putting my left hand fingers? Put your fingers over there, grab the light and try to pull it out. It should come out, but if it doesn't, just grab the hammer now and then hammer on the studs. Give it a couple good blows and it'll just pop right out. Good. Now whichever way you get the light out, you also have to get the wire out of there now. See, it may take you a few seconds, so be patient, but once you get the wire out of there, it'll give you a lot more movement with the light and you'll be able to place it comfortably and work on it. Now those studs that we were hammering on, see, it's got a flat edge on the bottom there, so don't worry about damaging the threads. That's the bulb holder for the turn signal. Just grab it, twist it left, and now it's loose. In order to get it out though, you'll have to get the wire out from over there. See how it's tucked in over there inside that plastic piece? Just get it out from there, and now you'll be able to get the bulb holder out right over there. That's the one I'm talking about. Now to get the bulb out, all you have to do is just push it down, twist it left, and the bulb is loose and you should be able to get it out. The bulb size is 7507. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Now let's go ahead, get the new bulb and put it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. Good. Now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in and sits in just like this. Good. At this point, just twist your right to lock it, and now you're done. That's it. And now let's just get this wire back in. Make sure it's sitting in properly, because this wire is what prevents water from getting inside the car from there. So make sure it sits in properly. This is looking good. Try pulling on it. It shouldn't come out. That's good. Now let's position the light. Now we have to focus on the front edge over there and the two studs that go in there. And this pin also, well, you can't really see the pin, but just try and position it the way I'm showing. And that'll help you position the rest of the light. See, this is not sticking out. These two studs are also in. Good. Now just give it a push and it'll just pop right in. Put those nuts back on. Hand tighten them down first and then tighten them down using the socket ratchet combination. That's looking good. Put this flap back on. Just get it in place. Make sure all those wings on the flap, they go back in. And that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.